In ancient Greece, a
Sneeze.
sneeze was a soft look, but in Europe, hundreds of years ago, if a person sneezed, people
Thought.
thought he would surely die. Today, in a part of India, a sneeze can be a sign that something bad will happen. Some people believe that it is a bad sign if you sneeze before you begin a trip. They say you should take a drink or wait a short while before you continue your trip. In parts of Asia, some people think you sneeze because someone is talking about you. People have all kinds of beliefs. An idea about sneezing. For example, have you ever heard this one? If you keep your eyes open when you sneeze, your eyes will come out of your head. Nice scientists today know that is not true. Your eyes are very secure and attacked. But some children still tell this story. Here is another story about sneezing. But this one is true. Have you ever sneezed in your sleep? The answer is always no. People never sneeze while they are sleeping. Through history, people have tried to explain why we sneeze. Why we sneeze. People cannot make themselves sneeze. It is a reflex of our bodies. Dr. Nelkel is an expert on allergies. He read the website WebMD, a very simple definition for sneeze. Sneezing is a nurse transmission. This message from the nurse tells your brain that something in your nose needs to come out. A sneeze usually begins in the nose. As people breathe in air through the nose, they also breathe in anything that is in the air. That can be dust, and drugs like virus and bacteria. The air and these
Particles.
enter the nose. Some of the particles get caught in the hair inside the nerve, but the hair do not always cut everything. Some particles go through the lining or inside of the nose.
Nose.
The lining of the nose is very sensitive. That is, it can sense very small particle in the nose. In the lining, nerves. In the lining sense, that is
Irritated.
The nerves in the lining send a message to the particular part of the brain. Some experts simply call this part of the brain the sneeze center. The sneeze center accepts these messages from the nose. It sends messages past the blood, eyes, and mouth glow. Then the blood quickly opens the brain while the balloon pulls in quickly. The result is a sneeze. The air from the balloon leaves very quickly. Some experts say sneeze travel from about 55 to 65 kilometers. Other people sneeze travel at about 160. But during the sneeze, it is not just air that leaves a person's body. The air blow out the fluid in a person's mouth and nose. This is saliva from the mouth and the mucus from the nose. Often, these fluids contain germ-like viruses and bacteria. When a person sneezes, these fluids glide quickly out of the nose in very small pieces called
Droplets.
A single sneeze can contain about 1,400 droplets and many more growths. There are many reasons why a person sneezes. Many of them are because of chemical or environmental irritant. Some people sneeze when they breathe in strong smell like perfume or cigarette smoke. The cooking pepper makes some people sneeze. Other people may sneeze because of the sudden change in temperature or a full stomach. Other people sneeze when they look at the sun. This is a particular kind of sneeze called forced sneeze. About 1 in every 3 people are forced sneezers that get withdrawn from their parents. But there are also ways to avoid this kind of sneezing. If you feel a sneeze coming, raise your tongue behind your front.
Tongue.
Behind your front teeth. This is the part behind your teeth, put before your mouth
Curves.
You may have to use your tongue to push very hard, but you should feel that the knees will turn. However, health workers warn that people should not stop the sneeze that has already started. Sneeze stronger at great speed. Stopping a sneeze by blocking the mouth or nose can be dangerous. You could damage your hearing or lose vessels in your head. Probably the most famous reason for sneezing is that a person is sick. In fact, sneezing is one major way to spread sickness like influenza. As we said, tens of thousands of germs escape from a person's nose and mouth during a sneeze. This drug can stay in the air or travel through the wire. If someone else breathes them in, he or she may get sick. For this reason, many health experts encourage people to cover their mouth when they sneeze. But what is the best way to do that? One experiment that shows the answer comes from a place people may not expect. Television.
Mythbusters.
Mythbusters is a television program. In this program, Adam Savage and James Hammer try to prove common beliefs about common things like sneeze. They use science and experiment to look at these beliefs. Adam and James use a very powerful camera to record a person sneezing. It meant put a color liquid in his mouth. When he sneezed, camera record where the droplet went. Adam and James tested 3 methods of containing a sneeze. They wanted to know which method started the most drop. In first test, Adam sneezed into his open hand. Droplet from his mouth traveled almost 3 meters. and his hands were covered in blood. Worse, if he thought anything without washing his hands, he would spread the blood. Ned sneezed into his elbow.
elbow,
He found only two droplets in front of him. And there was only a small amount of droplet on his elbow. Finally, Adam sneezed into a small cloud. Only a few droplets fell in front of him. The cloud touched one of the droplets, however. Some of the droplets went through the cloud and onto Adam's hand. Adam and Sam discovered the best way to avoid scratching girl while sneezing is to sneeze into your elbow. This is also what the World Health Organization recommends. It can be important to remember during times when sicknesses quickly spread. Experts still do not know everything about sneezing, but they do know one thing: when a person sneezes, you should always say, "Bless you." It is a polite thing to do.